Hello everyone, this is Yamin and welcome to Aptech Knowledge. In this JavaScript tutorial, we are going to talk about how to declare variable in JavaScript. So first of all, let's go and give a skip tag, and inside the skip tag, we obviously need to write JavaScript, and here in order to declare a variable in JavaScript, we need to use this word, and that is var, and after var, you can declare the variable name. Let's say name, you can declare a variable like this, and you can say name equal to, let's say, Yamin. And if I now just print this, in order to print it, we need to write in JavaScript document dot write, and we can just mention the variable name, and that is name. So right now, if we just save it, then if we just open it in the browser, here you can see the name that we just assign over here, name equal to Yamin. And if we write document dot write, we can see the name, which is Yamin. So right now, let's declare another variable. Let's say var age equal to, let's say age is 26, and let me just copy this, and let's also print the age as well. So in order to print age, we just need to say over here age, save it, then let's refresh, and here you can see age. So right now, let me just show you one more thing, that is you can just say over here normally var name and var age. So basically we are already declaring that name and age is a variable, and after that we can just say over here name equal to, we can just say, let's say John, and here let's say age is 27, let's say for John age is 27. So we can do it like this as well. So here first of all, once we just declare the variable, we do not need to mention the var variable again. So right now if we save, then if we refresh, here you can see John and age is 27. So right now let me just show you one more thing, and that is, let's say first over here name is John and age 27. Now let me just copy this and paste it here, and over here we'll say name is Yamin and age is 25. So right now what will happen is that first of all we have name equal to John and age is 27. So first it will print this name equal to John and age 27, and then it will come down and it will see that the name is Yamin and age is 25, and so it will print the name Yamin and age 25. So I hope you are clear. Save. If we now refresh here you can see first we see John 27 and Yamin 25. So those are the basics of how we can declare variable in JavaScript. I hope this tutorial was very simple for you. If you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. Thanks again for watching, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next tutorial.